Okay, so we are back again with another beater box episode. This one is from Soul Supremacy again. That last box, if you guys didn't get a chance to watch it, is over here. That was a $2,000 boxes. It was like 2 boxes, which was crazy. Very long video, like 20 something shoes. Very cool. If you guys didn't check it out yet, highly recommend you do that. A lot of those shoes are still available on the web store as well, so you guys can check that out, untiedhawaii.com. But yeah, this box is gonna be $875. So it's considered like lower tier again because it's like sub 1,000. But honestly, like those shoes have been selling very, very good in these boxes. So I decided to try it one more time, see what we can cop in this one. So we'll be unboxing that. Kuma is like sleeping now on my leg. Come on, buddy, say hi. So me and Kuma will be unboxing that Soul Supremacy beater box right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another video. In this video, we have a Soul Supremacy beater box, $875 value. The boxes at this level have been very, very great. You guys won't see probably a super hyped shoe in here, but in terms of value, these things have been killing it. So I decided to try it again at this level, just to see if our luck is still there. And I know you guys hear it from me every beater box episode, but I gotta let you guys know that currently Soul Supremacy does not have memberships available for beater boxes. Like even after like 2 years of doing beater boxes, I still get like new guys coming through into the comments and saying, how do I cop these things? And the sad truth is that you guys can't right now. However, that's why I've been looking for like alternatives for you guys in case you guys are interested in buying beater boxes. We checked out that cool box from the last video. Anyway, let's get into this box. $875. Let's see what we got. This is a great box. I can see it already. Can't even pull out the loose shoes because those are the money shoes. So we'll start off with the box shoes. All right, so the first box that we have is an Air Vapor Max 95 in a size 7. Oof, I don't know about this one, guys. So I've never been a fan of like Vapor Max, but you guys can check it out over here. It is a nice colorway. It's kind of like an infrared or like a bread kind of vibe. So I like the colors, but the shoe itself I've never been a big fan of. I don't like this tech. I don't know why, but for me it's just not comfortable at all on feet, so I've never messed with Vapor Max. But I believe this one is dead stock. I can't tell though. The uppers and stuff look completely new, but there's like some slight dirt on these bottoms, so I'm not sure if that's like tried on. And even if it is tried on, like for GOAT, I believe you can still sell it as new. Because if you guys think about it, like if you go to a sneaker store and you try it on in store and you guys don't like it and you put it back, it's not like the sales associate burns the shoe or gets rid of it because it was tried on. They will still sell the next person that shoe and it will still be considered brand new. As long as you're not like running through the store with it, then it should be fine. And I think that's the case for like these kinds of things. So it should have DS value even if it is tried on once. There is a huge difference between tried on, which is putting it on your feet, and worn once though, so be aware of that. So the next one is another Nike box. It's an Air Max Deluxe, size 8.5. What the heck is this thing, dude? A whole bunch of shoes I've never seen before. This is another interesting one. I've never heard of this model and I've never seen this in my life before. It does look like it's also brand new, so I guess that's good in terms of resale, but I'm not sure how many people would actually buy this thing. Like it kind of just looks funky. So if you guys are avid collectors of this model, I guess that will be up on the web store as well. I am not a fan of that though. One thing I am a fan of though are Nike SBs, and this one is in a size 11. It is a dunk low, so hopefully it's a good one. Oh, what the heck do we have here? I'm not sure what the name of this one is, man. This is an interesting one. It is like a suede upper, and on the back it says flammable, which is kind of cool. Also like this pattern in the back heel over here as well. Very standard SB. I wonder what the name of these are called. This one says caution in the back. I might end up keeping this one actually, and I'm guessing there isn't much value on those. Like Nike SBs are truly hit or miss in terms of resale. There are popular models like the lobster models or the diamond SBs, but other than that, these more standard ones they don't really go for that much money. Okay, we have an Ultra Boost box here. This one is a size 10. Woo! Is this brand new too? This is the Ultra Boost Uncaged Parlay. You guys can see that barcode is still in there, so I think it's a new shoe technically. It would probably be in that same consideration of like try it on, because it looks like these white bottoms do have some slight dust on them. But I mean, obviously not worn, like they haven't been run into the ground or anything like that. So I think that this one would pass as like dead stock on like apps and stuff too. So that's what I'm gonna list it as. However, these models, they don't go for very much money. The Uncaged Ultra Boosts were kind of a huge miss even when Ultra Boosts were popular. So I don't think these will fetch a lot of money. However, if you guys are unfamiliar with like Parlay, This was a very dope collab. Like, I keep saying parlay, but I think it's parley. It's a cool collab because the shoe is made out of like recycled plastic. What they're trying to do is grab plastic from like the ocean and stuff, because it is very like, it's very polluted right now, guys, and it's getting worse. And so I think it was cool that Adidas partnered with these guys to try to like reduce like waste and stuff by taking that plastic and turning it into shoes. So I really love that. I just wish the shoe was a little bit more hype so they could sell more of them to push that message even more, you know. So protect your ocean, guys, don't litter, and yeah, try not to use plastics because the oceans are not looking good. I don't know, I have a big place in my heart for that kind of stuff. Oh, okay, it looks like we got a double up of the same shoe. Air Max Deluxe size 9.5. It's the same shoe. It's the exact same shoe, different size. This one also looks like it's in brand new condition, so that's good there at least. It looks like Supremacy has been doing dumps of like multiples and stuff like this, so I'm not sure what's going on. It was probably somebody that sold them a bunch of like outlet shoes, I would assume. And they're just trying to like sell it as fast as possible, which is why you see doubles like these in beater boxes. Those will probably be hard movers. Next up, we have, man, they're doing like doubles and triples in this box. This one is in a size 11 Ultra Boost Uncaged, and here it is again, guys. Another pair of the same shoes. What's going on? I wonder if like other beater box members are getting the same stuff. I would assume they are, and Soul is just dumping their entire stock of this and those Air Max Deluxes. And it's super funny when that happens because like you guys can see it like on the apps and stuff like GOAT. You can see that price just kept getting undercut and undercut, and you know like on the other side of that phone is another beater box member trying to move their Air Max Deluxe or their Ultra Boost Uncaged. It's just, it's so weird. Anyway, please don't let this be an Uncaged, please. Ultra Boost Uncaged Parley, size 12. And again, oh no, and this one is actually used, I think. This bottom is super dirty. You can see over here. I mean, I can try to dust that off, hopefully. Okay, I'm assuming it's brand new. This one is not so bad. So another try it on pair of Ultra Boost. Dude, this is weird. This is a very strange beater box. So we got 3 of the same shoe. Horrible, don't like that. But the 2 shoes without boxes are very, very hype. So check these out. This first one is a pair of Yeezys in a size 10.5. Okay, cool. And I believe these are called the Coppers. So these were released on Black Friday along with like those infrared ones and those olive ones, but I think this is one of the cleaner designs. I mean, brown looks pretty nice against this black, not gonna lie. Bottom's dirtied up, but it's not horrible use. These were actually like one of the most limited stock for Yeezys too. The stock numbers were low for the Black Friday drop. However, in terms of resale, I do think they're going for like 400 or 500. You guys see it on the counter over here. So if you guys are interested in these probably will be up on the web store. No box, size 10.5. The last shoe in the box, which I am super psyched over. I'm hoping it's my size, fingers crossed. If it's my size, I'm gonna freak out. But this one is a pair of Jordan 1 Breads. What size is it though? It looks small. I'm guessing it's a size 9. It's a size 10. I might be able to fit a size 10. Anyway, this is the 2016 Jordan 1 Bread or Jordan 1 Bands. You guys can see over here like no toe box creasing. The back, there's like a small scuff, I guess. Bottoms, slightly dirtied, but overall, this is a very good condition Jordan 1. I probably will end up keeping this, even though it doesn't have a box. I don't have a bread in my collection, which is really weird. I don't know how that happened, but I guess I sold my last bread a while back, and I guess I just never picked one up after that. So it's cool that this one came in a beater box, but I think I need to sell it because the rest of the box wasn't very good, guys. Like, it's cool that there's a whole bunch of dead stock pairs, but I'm sure there are pairs that aren't going for much like on the market right now, and there isn't a lot of like demand for them. So this might be like one of those good boxes to do an after the unboxing video, so you guys can see like how did it pan out with dead stock shoes and then like 2 hype shoes. So I probably will do that. It's just I'm not sure when that can happen because I gotta sell a lot of Ultra Boost parlays, so it might take some time. Anyway, interesting box. I hope there's decent value here. You guys saw it pop up on the screen. I don't know until the end of the video, and I do all this edits and stuff. Fingers crossed. I'm hoping it's good. That is it for this beater box. All of these shoes will be on untiedhawaii.com, so head over there now if you guys are interested in them. I'm sure those Ultra Boosts are on there for pretty cheap prices, so check that out if you guys are interested. If you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to hit that like button down below. Subscribe to the channel if you guys have not already. And if you guys want to join channel memberships, feel free to hit join down below as well. Hitting join gives you a whole bunch of like channel member perks, which include like $10 off the web store. And you guys have chances for free sneakers, which we just dropped recently, and that drop went great. So that's why you guys got to stay on top of it. Join now. Don't wait for the channel memberships because you guys will miss out on free sneaker drops, free Hypebeast clothing drops. It's lit. It's really cool, and the community is just really like warm and supportive of what I do and just really want to support the channel, which I am very grateful for. So if you guys are interested in that, feel free to join. But anyway, until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, guys. I will see you. Aloha. Shoot.